Hey, Boto community. On this video, I'm gonna share how to use our second Aave DeFi block. It's also a data block. This will allow you to pull information from any user portfolio. To do this, you will need to have a valid user address. I've chosen to use Ethereum v2 as the market. I will use my own MetaMask wallet address. I'm gonna pull it from MetaMask here. No, sorry, need to switch first. This should show up empty everywhere. I've never used this wallet on Aave, but it's just for the purpose of the example. I will also use a different address that has actual values in it, but I just want to show the difference and that it actually works. So once this is hooked up with Discord, I added a new channel. Just to add new channels, you can again go through the more info page here, or also by clicking add new channel, you'll be taken to a walkthrough that will explain how to do everything. I will not go through that process again. So when we correctly hook up a user portfolio data block, you'll be able to pull all of this information. I've already sort of structured my Discord block and styled it a bit. So I'm just gonna start to fill in the values here. I'm gonna pull everything I can, which is basically the net worth, the net APY, my health factor. I also have the average supply APY, my list of supplies, my average borrow APY, and the list of everything I've borrowed. I'm going to save this. I'm going to show you how it should look by testing. You can do this yourself just to make sure that you've structured the block the way you want and that it looks as you want, and also that you're allowed to post on your channel. If everything works fine, you should be getting a green message up here. Let's see what's going on. Let's try again. Could be an issue. There we go. This was successfully posted. This is the channel ID, but we have like the pretty name here, which is the server and then the channel. If we go back here, you can see that I just posted this and it has all of the place order values. To show you also that you can test this, test this block, it fails, which makes sense because it doesn't have an address. Then again, if I put a valid address in the network, it works. So I'm going to save all of the changes, just switch it on real quick. This should get me my first post on the channel. Let's see if I manage to get it. We can also always just check on our dashboard to make sure that it's been working. Clearly something's gone wrong. This is a Discord issue, so let's go back to the bot. Just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to pause and fix this real quick, and then I'll jump back. Okay, so I paused and then unpaused and didn't realize, but okay. This is the issue. I wrote my title in the title URL. So Honest mistake, happened to anybody. Save again, turn it off, on again. And here we go. The title, I've got no money, so I borrowed nothing, supplied nothing, so as we would expect, my net worth is zero and everything else is zero. And I've got no list of supplies or borrows. Now, I'm going to use a different value that I have here. And let's see, just so that we can see how it looks. I'm going to save the change. I'm actually going to put the money sign here, so it looks better. Percentage here, also here and here. I'm going to save this, off, on again, and we should get an updated post here. There we go. This is an actual portfolio. We can configure this. I didn't. I'll show you again. I'm going to choose just 2 decimals everywhere. So it looks nicer. Let's see. It should post again anytime now. There we go. See. So the net worth here is 125.47. It's got a negative net APY, but it has a positive average supply APY. But as you can see, the borrow APY is way bigger, so it makes sense that you're getting a negative one. It's a good help factor. And here are the lists of everything this wallet has supplied as collateral and just applied to gather APY, and then this is what has been borrowed.